Blush, contour and highlight can totally lift our face up and do the opposite to our face too. Today, let's see how that happens. This side will be do's and this side don't for today. For contouring, I am using Lacara F004 brush. It's a fluffy but pointed brush, great for powder application. Contour should be 2 to 3 shades darker than our skin tone. I am using Cuffs and Lashes Contour Tea Cake. For don't side, I am making a pout and applying my contour in the hollow part. I have seen many people doing this and I have myself done it earlier. It looks really unnatural. It looks like a deep brown cut on cheeks and also face seems to sag. For the do side, take the bronzer, dust the excess, start from the highest point of your ear and end up to the middle or outer corner of eyes. Start from outside to inside with the lowest pressure possible. Again, we need to look natural. That's the point. This lifts the face so much. There's nothing wrong with the don't side, but it looks a bit unnatural to me. We contour those areas where we want to make an illusion of shadow which we want to take back. Contouring forehead is for people having bigger forehead like me. Here, in the don't side, I am putting a lot of color and dragging it down and also taking the contour over my chin. It may look okay on the camera, but trust me, in person it doesn't. For do side, we have to take our contour towards our hairline, that too light dash of color, and down our chin, not above. See, the do side looks so much lifted already. For blush, I am taking Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in shade Calli Chic. By picking a huge amount of color on the don't side and directly placing on apple of my cheeks and also dragging upwards by smiling. It's an absolute no-no. When we will rest our face, it will sag down and also look like a block of color. It's a very common mistake. After this, there's no way of fixing this. For lifting the face, I am taking both the colors. That's optional. You can take one. And after taking off bit pigment on the back of my hand, I'm applying it by keeping 2 finger distance. Only on high parts, that also lightly dabbing and dragging. Like this, it will look like a flush of color and also bit on the forehead and chin and nose. This makes an illusion of healthy skin being out in sun, which I absolutely haven't in a week. For highlighting, a fan brush or a pointed fluffy brush is great. Both of them are from Lacara. On don't side, I have already packed up my face with lot of colors. Now I have to put it over, creating a weird layer. I took a lot of highlighter, though highlighter's job is to give a subtle glow. In person, it doesn't look nice at all. We can highlight up to the cheeks, but for baggy eyes, it's best to do it up to the outer corner of our eyes. That also very little. The highlighter is from Cuffs and Lashes, it's called Frumptious, and now we have to apply it lightly on the high points of our face. For chin, only the middle part should be highlighted. Nose highlighting is always in, but making a ball-like dot brings all the attention there. There's nothing wrong in it if you do. But let's try to do something more natural. Just stop the highlighting up to the bridge of the nose. That's it. It will only show up when you lower your face. Here's all the do's and don'ts for you guys. Hope you understand the mistakes we all do sometimes. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe and suggest me more videos you want to watch. Thanks for watching.